I believe the best way to travel and explore is to go on a road trip. Today I'm gonna take you guys in one of the most scenic road trips in Munnar. The best time to go on this trip is during sunrise or sunset. Take the National Highway 49 from Munnar via Devigulam to our first stop, Lockhart. Lockhart viewpoint is 11 kilometers from Munnar. You don't have to specifically stop at the viewpoint. You could stop anywhere along the road and see the stunning valley wrapped with tea plantations. On the other side of the mountain, experience the unworldly beauty of Gap Road. This looks like just out of a movie. If you're at the right time, you could see the vastness of the valley, clouds flowing over the mountain. It's a delight to see. I've given Google Map locations for all the main spots in the description. Sun is almost up. If you drive 8 kilometers down the road, you will reach Periyakanal through the winding roads. Where you could stop for breakfast or chai in one of the small shops. Then roll down the road with Anayirangal Lake on your left, which is a paradise for wild infants. If you're lucky enough, you could spot one. Throughout the road, you could see the lake on your left. You could stop and enjoy the view. Finally, we have reached our destination, Anayirangal Boating Center. The boating center is well maintained. It looks like a small picnic spot. Well maintained gardens, visitor huts, play area for kids, etc. They have plenty of boating options: speedboat, family boat, coracle ride, pedal boating, kayaking. I chose to go on the speedboat. Once we are out in the water, when Anna puts the throttle down and speeds up, the rush of adrenaline is incredible as we feel the power of the engine and the wind in our face. It is an experience to be had.
See the ocean, how it sways in the sun, keeping our stories in its motion, lies the truth about us. Send me your songs of tomorrow, I'm dying to know it all. Stories of joy and of sorrow, I'm dying to
Boat ride might have been ended, but the road to travel is still waiting. See you in a different location. Thank you for your support.